Well, guys, we found another little cutoff here. I'm going to take a look. This is the first one for today, really. I think this goes down to the river, but we have no clue, do we?
Nope. That's where the adventure begins, Willie.
I love that movie. The adventure begins with Ramos. Somebody. That was a really good movie.
I don't think I've ever seen it.
Really?
Oh.
Oh, we've got to watch that. It's
Okay.
a cute movie. Cute, family friendly,
Yeah.
non-killing.
No, I love them. Yeah.
There's the road. Keeps going. Keeps going.
Keep going.
Should go all the way down to the bridge. At minimum, it's a bridge maintenance road, I'm thinking.
True.
Maximum, there's some incredible fishing back here.
That would be a good blessing.
Maybe an elephant or a giraffe.
Mmm.
Haven't seen one of those in South Carolina yet.
Nope.
Cool cypress forest.
Oh, that is pretty.
That's very pretty.
I
That
love
would make a
them.
perfect painting.
I want to paint some, yeah. I'm excited to paint the cypress. They're very,
Cypressy
cypressy.
or majestic-y?
Majestic-y. Like they have stories to tell.
Looks like water up front.
Yeah.
Middle of the road. We're getting close. Like a hog pie puddle.
Uh-oh. There we go.
Doesn't look that deep.
Yeah, well,
What? What is it? About a foot?
okay.
Oh.
Well, look at there.
Oh.
Oh, oh,
A little deep right there.
we made it.
Deep.
You better come my way as far as you can.
Not bad. Wait, we just washed the adventure vehicle.
Yeah, we did. Yesterday, actually,
Man.
wasn't it?
Whoa! Sorry about that. A little bumpy. What is that back there?
It looked like a farm gate.
Oh. Got a tree laying out here. Around that thing.
Pretty purple flowers.
Up under the bridge?
Right down alongside of the road. That's fun.
We did cross water, didn't we? Yeah, the river up here. Whoa. This looks a little swampy.
Oh, yeah, over there.
Swampified through here.
Yeah, they've got some
We've been
Big
dumping
knee.
stones in here. What is that?
water.
It's all water.
it's flooding back here as low as the river looked when we crossed over it.
Because this water's trapped from when it was high.
Gotcha.
It's going to be higher where we're headed. See how we're going up?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's a low spot. So all that hurricane came through and flooded all of that.
It's just still hadn't dried out.
Still just sitting there, yeah. I'd love to have driven through here right after the hurricane. Can you imagine?
See the purple wildflowers? Let's see. They're weeds, but they're really pretty when they're opened.
There's something back here.
Is that another vehicle?
I think so. I think we found another fisherman back here. Let's see.
You want some bacon and turkey?
Nope, I'm good. Well, let me try. That's the last little piece.
Yeah. It was good. I'd order that again. Little guacamole.
With the guac sauce.
The guac sauce. I do love that bread. Man.
What if they're stuck?
Oh no. Looks like maybe got a little bit of trouble going on. Oh yeah, there's some ruts right here.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys stuck? Okay. I don't have any chains or toe straps or anything, and I don't have no chains or toe straps or nothing.
So are we aborting the mission?
No, we're gonna go along beside them.
Okay.
There's high ground right there.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure
got in a
I'm
rut.
out of that rut
Yeah.
before I try to cross.
Okay, wait. Okay, we're good.
That branch is gonna be a big problem though.
This one right here.
Yeah, that one right there.
All right there.
Luckily, we're gonna be painting it later on. Roll your window. Oh, you don't want your window down yet?
No, I don't.
Okay.
You're on YouTube, right?
Yes.
I'm looking you up, but I watch YouTube every day.
Awesome.
And so, yeah, I'm always on YouTube. Take care.
Thank
Yeah.
you, you too. now.
Sorry, I don't have a chain.
That's all right.
Yeah, I should ask him.
He wants to win a car?
No. You mind showing us your catfish? Wow, look at that blue. That is a beaut.
Hang on, see if you don't pinch my finger.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I'm Willie. Your name was?
Jason.
Jason, nice to meet you, Jason.
You too, bud.
That is a beaut.
Yes, sir.
I was going to get out and look, but I'm in a bush.
You're in a bush?
Yeah, it's okay.
Did I put you in a
You
bush?
put me in the bush.
Bush. Okay, let's see if it gets worse back here. Okay, so he did say we are on WMA property right now,
Okay.
and it is hunting season. So he said make sure you tell the game warden if you see him that you were just out here doing a little fishing or something.
Oh, gotcha. So don't think
I'm gonna say we
illegally
were
hunting.
thinking about fishing, and yeah, he said don't tell them you're just out here poking around, or they might give you a really hard time. He said only because it's hunting season, deer hunting season.
Well, we've got rods in the truck. Ooh, yeah, stay left.
Ooh, this is nasty.
And then you're gonna come right.
Yeah, I'm gonna go all the way down.
Are you?
Yep, and then I'm gonna cut across because there's a hole right there. I don't know about all this now, guys. They're like, you can just go on back there. I don't know if we can clear all of this. They're like, we're gonna be pulling you out. Whoa, this one looks kind of nasty. I'm gonna go up here, I guess. That's not bad.
Oh, that one was easy.
This extra clearance is really coming in handy. This is the river right here. Yeah, they got that one big 25-pounder, and he said they lost 3 others
Oh, wow.
today. Today, guys. Where
Where do you fish from?
the right here.
This is another steep bank.
We're gonna back in, maybe. I don't fall in that hole. We're gonna go like this. Then what I'm gonna do is put us up on that shoulder.
Oh, gotcha.
There we go. And now we can flip the tailgate down if we want.
Oh, yeah. That is sick.